Thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. Thank you, Sir Floor Leader. This for our information. I am deeply concerned with our ongoing projects for the concreting of Leon-Omambong-Cordova Road, linking Barangay Barosong, Tigbauan, and Barangay Talacuan, Leon, under the contract of ABELARDE Builders and Supply, in the amount of 7,699,614.65 centavos. I brought this matter to this August Hall of Chamber because last September 12, 2022 at around 10 in the evening, the rented backhoe of the contractor situated at Barangay Norte, Leon was incinerated by an unknown suspect or arsonist. Due to this incident, and because of this, the contractor suspended all of their construction activities because of the question of security and safety of their workforce and furthermore, they became hesitant to deploy manpower and the necessary equipment needed for the completion of the contract, knowing that there exists a current threat to their security and safety around the area. And knowingly, the contract original completion date of this contract is last April 29, 2022. Tapos na ang kontrata. And knowingly, the suspension of the remaining construction of this provincial road was being suspended because of the incident. And for this representation would like to refer this to the committee concerned for the investigation to be conducted by the committee. Thank you.